In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find duplicate values and even remove those duplicates within Excel. So here we have a list of names just to keep the example super simple today. And we notice that we have Jill here twice, Sarah 3 times, and there's just some people that are repeating throughout this list. So we want to find all the repeats or all the duplicates. So the way to do this is to select your data. In this case, we'll just select the entire sheet by clicking the top left here. We'll go to the Home ribbon and then find Conditional Formatting. Select Conditional Formatting and select Highlight Cell Rules, and then go over to the bottom here. You should see this Duplicate Values option. Go ahead and select that. This little box will come up and it'll be like, all right, well, how do you want to highlight all of the duplicates? In this case, red is a little bit more menacing for us, so let's say we just want a yellow fill instead, and we can kind of play around with that. Instead of duplicate values, we can also ask Excel to do it for unique values. But in this case, we'll keep it for duplicates. We'll go ahead and hit OK. Then it will highlight all of the values that appear more than once throughout our list or worksheet. Now, to turn that off, you simply need to go back up to Conditional Formatting, select Manage Rules, and then make sure that you have this worksheet selected, and you can select this rule and delete it, and then select Apply and OK, and then that will remove that conditional formatting, finding the duplicates for you. Now let's talk about how you can remove the duplicates. So obviously we saw that there were a couple, Sarah's here a couple times and so on and so forth. We could manually go in and delete all those. However, Excel has a feature that you can use to do that for you. So all you need to do is select your data that you're looking to remove the duplicates. In this case, we can select the entire worksheet by selecting this top left corner. Go to the Data ribbon, and then find this little icon under Data Tools, and this is the Remove Duplicates icon. So if I select that, this little pop-up is going to come up, and it's going to ask where you want the duplicates to be removed, and we can just hit Select All and then OK. And then Excel will tell us how many duplicates they found and removed and how many values stayed. So we deleted 5 duplicates and 12 unique values remain the same. And then we can go ahead and hit OK. So then that's going to clean up our list a little bit and remove any duplicates that we might have had. But there you have it. That's how you can find and remove duplicates in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.